P50. Nope, put this in. Camping trip is a go. Phil on the Tiger feet. And Moto Guzzi P85 GT. And me on BMW. I felt it, I was like, hang on, this don't feel right. Let's try whacking some air in it and see what happens. A little bit. Yeah. It's going to be very difficult to get onto its centre stand, this is, because it's got a puncher. Hang on. Fully loaded and it's got a puncher. Yeah. So it sits lower to the ground. Right, just whack some air in it, see, well, first of all, have a look, see what you got in there. Just went down.
Did you hit something?
There you go, you got a nail on there. Is that a nail?
Is that a nail or is that a stone?
Anything else in there? Oh, it's got a nail. Literally, we're like,
yes.
It's a tube, but there is slime in there.
Ah, okay.
So I thought that would have protected it. And it's a heavy duty tube as well.
Yeah.
Ultra heavy duty, sorry, not heavy duty, ultra heavy duty. I was watching a video by another blogger who was like saying heavy duty tubes don't stop punctures. No, they don't. Yeah, that's the puncher. At an unknown location, Phil.
Yeah.
And at what?
At an unknown location.
Somewhere in the middle of Hampshire. The BMW has broken down.
It's a blimmin' puncher.
Again!
Second one of the year.
Yeah, this is rotten luck.
And if it was you, you'd been alright. You could plug it and carry on.
Yeah.
I just suddenly felt it go and I was like, well, this is a bit sketch. It's coming.
Ah, you almost got it. Oh, that's
a good one.
That's a whopper.
Are you kidding me?
Rusty old nail.
People need to clean up their rubbish on the roads.
Don't you? If you've got slime in it, don't you want that at the bottom?
I'm going to whack some air in it and see what happens. It's not gonna, you can hear it hissing.
Okay.
Yeah, you can hear it hissing.
Your hearing's better than mine.
So it's a fast puncher.
We have a puncher.
I think it's a puncher magnet, this thing.
Yeah.
At least I didn't get one on my big trick. This is be a bit sketchy. I've got to get this off the stand. Ooh, it's so low. So low. Oh. This is a nightmare. Got to 15 miles an hour though. I pressed my hazard button but I never seem to be doing anything. Oh, there we go. Now, you should be seeing this video after my reveal. but I wanted to get the other bike on the road. I've got a Honda VFR at home. Now if I had more time, I would have got that on the road. I'd be on that. Because we're only doing a road trip, and that's what I bought the VFR for. Road touring, sports touring. Anyway, as long as I keep it at this speed, and it doesn't come off the rim, I can get to this pub, or this town down here. I will, well, fix it. Second puncture of the year. Luckily this didn't happen on my big trip. That would have been a kick in the teeth. 20 miles an hour. Yeah, top speed. Where's this pub, Phil? Where's this pub? Alright, this will do. This is just what's fairy liquid? Yeah, that's it, fairy liquid. Right, whatever, that should be enough. I've done this so many times. I've got it wrong so many times as well. Please. Okay, that's how you change a puncture.
There we go. Success.
Now, last time I changed it, we stood it up and then it went again, didn't it?
Ah, that's true. Yeah, we've got to get back on the on the axle and all that lot.
Okay, it seems to be. 9 miles. Too warm. We need some beers. Beers are in here. Ice in the bottom. Real good. Got the beers. My tyres seem to have popped on the rim properly now, which is good. So, it means that we get to go to the campsite now, set up. Hey, the New Forest, here we are. Okay, we can go over there. Oh, that was a hot ride. It's even hotter when you got a puncture.
I mean, you nailed that puncture repair.
Oh yeah. Shut up. See what you did there. Beer time. So the text message I got from this campsite was like, we want you to come with a negative result. So I got here, gave him a call saying, do you want to see my negative result? And he said, oh, we want you to do them on site. But the text message wasn't really clear, or whatever, doesn't matter. Anyway, so now he's doing his COVID test again. Because he did one this morning, but left the strip at home. Fill it out, put the result on.
We've got to do it on site.
We are all COVID, well, me and Pete are definitely COVID negative.
Yeah.
You're double jabs. We've all had our vax.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for my one to start working myself.
Oh yeah. Have you had your second or first?
I haven't had my first yet.
Oh yeah, okay, fine.
Too young.
And he's just spilled beer inside his tent.
Oh.
I just need to slow down on the beer. Right, it's like 15 minutes, mate, for a negative.
Yeah, really.
When I did my test earlier on this morning, you know, I sent a message saying, oh, I've done it wrong. I'd set it all up. I really made myself gag with it. Put it in the container, put the lid down on there, set the timer on my phone for 30 minutes, went upstairs, and like about 15 minutes later I was like, oh, I didn't put the drops on, I think.
Oh, hang on. I know what we need to do. New Forest.
Sticker.
New Forest and Dirty Weekend, because I didn't give you a Dirty Weekend sticker yet. It's barbecue time.
Huzzah.
Right, we'll keep that away from the flames because that is highly flammable. That Trangier stuff. I've got my army Trangier today, so I'm testing out this. I don't know if it's going to be any good for cooking bacon, but we'll see. Maybe. I might be lazy and not use mine. Just use mine for hot water. Although I don't have a fancy kettle like these guys do. Didn't come in the post yet, I did order one. Well, you don't have a Trangier bottle?
Not yet. That's
On the wish list.
on the wish list.
This is going to be burnt.
Playing the tuna bacon.
Crispy bacon. So that's the way I did it. Mind you, I mean, I've got a gas barbecue at home.
I am.
I'm hungry now.
I've got a gas.
How's your chair? How much did you spend for your chair?
£35.
Right, now why don't you use it?
Because I'm tending to the bacon.
And neither are you using your chair.
Just
I'm using my
bacon
Lomo
for
mat
you.
as my knee bag.
Bacon for you.
Okay, fine.
Need.
Yeah. This is,
About,
I don't
10
know.
minutes, if that.
It's an old school Trangier. It works, whatever. Didn't cost
it's a far better form
20
factor,
quid.
that is, because that was
You can put everything inside. You can put the fuel bottle inside if you had one that doesn't leak. Like, unfortunately, my one leaked, so I decided not to. But it all fits in this lovely Trangier bag that I bought for £6 off eBay.
But I bet you could get
This is. I can't do an affiliate link on this because this is an ex-army thing.
Yeah.
Whereas the Trangier is the.
You got to do the stuff that you can monetize, mate.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I'm really bad.
Look at this vintage thing. This thing's much better.
I'm a really bad YouTuber. Basically, is what the gist is. Basically, this is worth it though.
I'm pretty much just going to give up on my video.
There's a nice bloom on this old ass army Trangier. I can see it. It's yours. Yours hides all the action.
Oh, you videoing?
This hides all the action. This.
Look, there's the action.
There's the action, yes. But you have to take it off the top to get it going. I've got a nice little window here. Designing a cooker with a window is not as hard as you might think. It's 9 o'clock-ish, is it?
I have no idea.
Okay, it's 9:45 and it's probably 30 degrees already.
Hot.
How's this air cooled gonna do?
It's going to be hot.
Don't worry, it will heat transfer the heat to you.
Yeah.